The community here is so amazing.
Here there is a space for everybody.
It's great. You just get to be yourself.
Here at William Smith, we will support you.
I think that William Smith is a great school to go to because there's just a lot of freedom. Personally, I think that the responsibility is nice. It feels more like I'm being treated as an adult, somebody who's capable. Although you are treated like an adult, you still have a support system. You can ask for help.
You need to know that you're not by yourself here. We pretty much know every teacher, we know every student here at William Smith. We act more like a family than strangers.
If I'm feeling sad or if I'm just not having the best day, I get to have a lot of people around me that I can talk to.
It leads to a very comfortable feeling being here. And I think that comfort allows you to do your best work, because if you're not always tense, then you're able to think more clearly and express yourself better. One of the first things you'll notice about William Smith is crew.
Crew means to me that we're family.
All the grades are mixed together, and you stay in the same crew your entire time here at William Smith. We essentially just talk about how our day goes, help plan for projects that each of our grades are doing. It's just a really good way to, again, build community.
This senior presentation in general is just an experience that I think every high schooler should have.
Throughout studying art, I've kind of observed how culture thrives through art.
I feel like it's just nice to be able to represent a side of my family that not many people know about.
My time at William Smith has prepared me for my future because of projects like this. They get me up and actually able to talk to people, which is why I'm doing this video right now. Before high school, I would never be able to do this. I could never look into a camera and talk.
William Smith is a great opportunity for hands-on work and academic learning.
This wasn't just for a grade, it was more than that.
They don't just sit you down and make you write papers. They actually have you doing the actions that you're learning about.
The teachers, they have really good connections and they can connect you to people outside of the school, or they can help you with different universities or things to do.
I was able to join programs like Students Demand Action and also join the Youth Civic Engagement Academy and be not just the community at my school, but the community in general.
William Smith to me was probably the best fit for a high school that I could have picked. The environment with students, staff, and everybody here, they all brought that sense of letting me feel like I belonged here. And it really opened up my eyes to the creativity of where do I want to go from here on out, outside of high school.
This wasn't my home school. I didn't know anyone in the school. And I feel like William Smith kind of gave me an opportunity to connect with people in a different way. The teachers here have helped me a lot to kind of gear me into a specific career path I wanted to go into, which was psychology.
We all thrive together, and that's very important to this school. We work together and we think together, and I think that has really made me a more outgoing person. Coming to this school, you meet a lot of wonderful people, and if you're just open-minded and willing to get to know us, I think that you'd really like us.
Make sure you say hi when you come here. I'm always happy to make a new friend.